Today we're going to make a repair to the side panel for a John Deere 430 hood. So my stepfather recently purchased a used John Deere tractor and he's got some plans for it next summer. The person who owned the tractor before him had some exhaust problems, and instead of repairing the exhaust, they just cut a hole in the side of the engine cover hood and ran a straight pipe out. So he went ahead and replaced the exhaust and put the stock exhaust and exhaust pipe back on it. And now we're going to make this repair to the hood, and he's going to repaint I think he's going to repaint the whole tractor, but he'll also make it so he can repair this or repaint this side panel. So this is a metal hood, and so I've got this piece of scrap steel laying around. What we're going to do is we're going to take that scrap piece of metal and we're going to try to make a piece that will fill into this hole. You can see we're going to have to make a couple bends. This piece has to continue straight across, so that we're going to square that out. We got to make a bend down and then another bend, so like a Z pattern. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't have a leaf brake or a press brake or anything like that, so we're going to have to make all the bends by hand. We'll see how it goes. All right, we know that our first bend has to be about 1.5 inches. So we're going to put a mark here. The only piece of equipment that I have that can make somewhat of a bend would be this vise. So let's see how we do. All right, we had to make a couple bends. It wasn't pretty, but I think we got something that's going to work. And then I just put that in there, and you saw how I just traced it out. And now I got to figure out how to get this cut out. I think I'm going to use a angle grinder with a cutoff wheel. All right, so it's been a minute or two, and I think I got it fitting pretty good. The bends aren't perfect. I think I can tack that in place and get it so that I can weld that up. So like I do have some move. I'll cheat this gap. I put a little bit of bend in the end to kind of match the original. I may have to add a little bit more to that, but looks pretty good. Unfortunately, it's a little too windy to be welding outside with a MIG welder, so if I had flux core, I could probably do it, but we're going to do MIG. Hopefully it'll weld up nice. I think I can massage those gaps and cheat those bends a little bit and make it look fairly decent. So I'll have to do that another day. It's been a couple days, and man, did I have a nice video for you. I welded up that piece, but I had a happy accident. I had the camera on the wrong frame rate, and let's just say it's uneditable. So here we go. I'm going to try to throw in some B-roll for you, but it's probably not going to be great. On a positive note, I fired up the diesel heater for the first time this winter and fired right up, no problems. We've been running for about an hour, and I got the temperature in the garage up about 10 degrees. So thumbs up on the diesel heater. So here's the finished product. It blended in pretty good, and I think overall it's going to serve the purpose. It's going on an older tractor, and he's just trying to clean it up, and he's going to use it for mowing the lawn next summer. I added some welds front and back. Wanted a little extra meat on the bone on the back side. I think this tractor, it is a diesel, and this thing's going to probably vibrate a little bit, so this should hopefully keep the metal from cracking. But Yeah, it was just a, you know, tack, 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 like 100 of those tacks. Hit it with a grinder, clean it up, and I don't know, pretty happy with how it came out. I got a couple of little low spots here, but once I think you get it all painted, I think it'll be perfect for a tractor. This is the second job with the Harbor Freight welding table, and again worked out perfectly for what I needed. Gets you up off the ground, and I don't know, lightweight, small, it folds up, so this is a win as well. So although the recording didn't go as planned, the project kind of did. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I hope it's going to work out good for Mr. Paul. Can't wait to see it when he's got it all done. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you. You're better than most. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.